How to call someone from random phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go to the Settings application on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. From here, tap on Apps. Scroll through and find the phone app. Once you find it, tap on it. Inside the phone settings page, scroll down and find the Show My Caller ID option. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, just toggle off the Show My Caller ID option from here. Now, whenever you make a call to an unknown number, your own number will not be visible to them. Keep in mind that if they have you saved in their contacts, your contact name may appear to them. Following these steps, you can easily call someone from a random phone number on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.